Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gloria, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 businesses you can start up in Nigeria with less than 50,000 naira. Yes, in this economy, in this time, it is doable, and I'm going to be sharing those 5 businesses with you if you're looking to start a business that will generate an income for you. Like, you don't have anything you're doing that is bringing in money for you. You're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, you're looking for something to help you generate income. Even if you're looking for something that can help you generate something on the side, these businesses I'm going to be talking to you about in this video can also do that. Okay, so if you're ready, let's dive right into it. And the first business on my list today is cleaning business. Now, the truth of the matter is, a lot of people are busy with work, a lot of people are busy with their business, they hardly have time to clean up. Now, if you have a lot of time in your hands, you can start cleaning business. I mean, apartment cleaning, office cleaning, right? Some people are looking for people that will come and clean up the apartment on a weekly basis. Some will say, come on Monday, come on Wednesday, come on Saturday. Some will say, come just once a week to come clean my apartment, like on a Saturday, come and do like a general cleaning of my apartment. A lot of people are looking for people like that. So if you're passionate about cleaning, this is a business you can start up, right? This is a business you can start up. And what are the things you need to start up this business? You need cleaning bucket, cleaning items generally, cleaning materials. You need broom, you need mopping stick, you need a cleaning bucket, you need soaps and the things that you need to clean up an apartment. You need liquid, Dettol, and all of that. And how do you market this business? You can tell your family and friends. If you have somebody that is looking for someone to come clean up the apartment, I'm available. You can create an account on social media and advertise your skills there. You can create an account on social media and tell, share the word that, okay, you're into cleaning services. You can even employ 1 or 2 persons to join you in this cleaning business, and before you know, you start earning an income. Right. Number 2 business I would like to talk about is food stuff supply. If you want to make money in this lifetime, right, you have to look for the needs of people and find a way to meet their needs. You're creating value and money will come back in return, right? Now, food stuff supply business is one that will do well anytime, any season, any time of the year. People will always eat. Now, apart from the fact that people will always eat, a lot of people have limited time in their hands, right? After going to work, spending time in traffic, doing all of these things, you're stressed out, you still get home to go to the market and source for food items for you to cook for your family. That is a lot stressful. Now, if you have a lot of time in your hand, this is a business that you can venture into, right? You can start supplying food items like yam, plantain, sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes. You can even supply veggies for people who would, want you to supply other food items. They will tell you. Now, what you have to do is to look for a market that sell in wholesale. You buy and then you start supplying. Now, this is where it even gets interesting. You're supplying to one person, the person is enjoying your service, the person is not stressed, you're helping them out with food supply. Before you know it, they will recommend you to their friend. Their friend will recommend you to, their other friends, and that is how you have a lot of customers asking you to supply food items to them. Now, you don't have to dabble into all of the food business. You don't have to dabble into all of the food items. You can pick 1 or 2 items and stick to it. You can pick like yam, potatoes and sweet potatoes, because these food are all related. You can pick those ones and stick to it, so they know that when they are looking for someone to supply yam or potatoes, they know who to call. You can decide to be supplying just veggies, right? Carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, cabbage, all of those veggies, you can decide to be, supplying that as well. In fact, you can start supplying someone in an estate, and before you know, you're getting one, two, three, four, five customers in that particular estate, that every time they need a particular food item, you are the one that they will call. Okay, all you need to do is look for a market that sell cheap and buy and supply. Now, the truth of the matter is, around these, apartments and houses and estates, the market around them are very, very expensive. Now, people are looking for somebody who can buy food items for them in a local market where the food items are not as expensive as the one they sell close to these estates. Okay, you can start supplying food items to these people. In this business, you really don't even need much to start, because some people will even pay you upfront. You want yam, you ask them how much yam do you want, send in money. You send the money, you use their money to shop for them. And that is one good thing about food item business or food in general. Anybody that wants you to supply food to them or make food for them, they have to pay you upfront. Even if they are not going to pay everything, they have to pay you something. This is not a business that you even need your whole 50,000 naira to go into. Okay, so yeah, that is that for food stuff supply business. The next business on my list today is goat meat sharing business. You know that a lot of Nigerians like goat meat. When you talk of soups, a lot of people use goat meat, right? Soups, asum, a lot of people use goat meat. Now, if you can get 4 or 5 people to come together, to contribute their money, you can be the one that will go to the market, buy the goats, and kill it in the market. And after killing, you share it amongst these 5 people. Remember, your own profit will be added to the cost of the goods before dividing the amount amongst the people who want to share. If you like going to the market, all you need to do is to get 2, 3, 4, 5 people to come together. You know the price of the goat's meat, you factor in the cost of killing the goats, you factor in the cost of transportation and everything, and then you add up the money and then divide it amongst 5 people. If it's 5 people that are interested, divide the cost of the goods amongst these 4 or 5 people. After doing this, you after killing the goats and sharing, you send their goat meat to their homes. And remember, the cost of logistics, the cost of sending the goods to them has been added. So you see, in this case, you are really not paying nothing. Your 50,000 naira is still going to be in your pockets. So goat meat sharing is another business you can do if you don't have anything you're doing for something to earn you an income. This business is something you can venture into. Number 4 business idea you can venture into is drop shipping. There is no time I want to recommend business for people, especially women or students, that I don't talk about drop shipping. The reason I talk about drop shipping a lot is because it's something I do. You don't really need much capital for this business. And when I say much capital, I mean you need little to nothing for this business. All you need to do is to look for a product that you're passionate about. If you're passionate about hair, you're passionate about perfumes, you're passionate about fashion items, you're passionate about jewelry, anything you are passionate about, just look for a supplier that that sell authentic items. Don't go and meet somebody that sell fake, because you will not sell. If someone buys from you today, they will not buy tomorrow. Okay, look for somebody that sells authentic items, and then start negotiate with them and tell them, okay, that you are a drop shipper. Whenever you have clients, you're going to reach out to them. You can be taking their pictures from their page, advertising on your WhatsApp status. After doing this, If you get an order, all you need to do is to reach out to them. You must have added your own profit and tell your customer that this is the amount of the product they want to buy, and if they agree, they're going to send you the amount you guys agreed. All you need to do is to send the amount you agreed with your supplier to your supplier, and then send the address of the buyer to the supplier, and then the supplier would supply to the buyer. You're acting as the middle person. You're acting as the middle person. Fulfilling the order is none of your business. Fulfilling the order will be done by the supplier. All you need to do is to connect the buyer and the seller, which is what most of all these e-commerce platforms do these days. Start from where you are. You can start drop shipping. And then if you like, you can even start buying your own packaging. If you like your packaging to a certain way, you can have your own packaging. Some people even send their packaging to their supplier. For every time they have an order, their supplier will use their packaging to send out their orders. Okay, dropshipping is something that is very, very, very lucrative. You don't need to have a lot of capital for this business. Okay, like I said, this business requires little to nothing capital to start. The number 5 business idea I would like to talk about in this video is soup bowl business. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I said a lot of people are busy. And when I say a lot of people are busy, I mean it literally. People are busy, they don't have time to cook, especially bachelors, people who work long hours. They don't have time to make food. And a lot of all these people know how expensive it is to eat out every day. It is better to look for somebody that will cook in bulk for you and you pay. That way, you are covered for food for the week. Okay, so you can be that person that they will reach out to make soup bowls for them. You can make soups, different type of soups. You can make stew. All they have to do is to reach out to you and tell you, oh, Amaka, this week, please, I need egusi, I need ogbono, I need stew. How much will it cost you to make these soup bowls for me? If it's 10 liters, if it's 5 liters, if it's 3 liters, you charge accordingly. It's no news. Everybody knows that food right now is very expensive. Food item right now is on the rise. Before you charge, make sure that you've done your calculation. You know what the prices are. What you can even do, you can even buy in bulk and have in your freezer. You can have goat's meat in your freezer. You can have turkey in your freezer, chicken, all these proteins. You can have them in your freezer, and then all the grains that you need to make some of these soups, you have them. So when they reach out to you and tell you, I need this soup, I need that soup, I need this stew, you almost have everything in your kitchen, and all you need to do is just to start cooking. Okay, now this 50,000 naira will be enough for you for a start. And remember, before you cook for anybody in large quantity, remember they are going to pay you upfront. So this 50,000 naira will be enough for you to buy some of the items you need for starts. Some of the items, the proteins, and every other thing you will need to start this business. You will need this 50,000 naira or even less to buy some of these items and keep in your house, so that when they reach out to you, you have it readily available to make for them. And remember, before you make, remember to collect your money. Don't do cook, later I will pay you. Don't do that. Because most times when you do cook, later I will pay you, you will not see your money. And then you start, going back and forth for collection of your money. Okay, so before you cook any large quantity food or soup for anybody, remember to ask for payment upfront. Okay, I hope this video helps you today. Till I see you in my next video, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel if you end up enjoying this video. Till I see you in my next video, remember, God loves you. I will see you in my next one. Bye.